What the heck is happening with TikTok and how are you supposed to keep up with all the trends? Today, I'm going to talk to you about 2 updates, a few other tips that we can use to continue growing on TikTok so we can grow our business. Very first thing, TikTok told us to start going horizontal. What do I mean by that? Usually our videos are like this, and now TikTok is telling us to do this. And here is my take on it. I know that a few people got that notification. If they post horizontal videos, their videos actually get boosted. I haven't gotten that, and I still tried to go horizontal. It hasn't been amazing. Here are a few of the comments that I got from people when I'm like, hey, why is my video not popping up? Someone said, yeah, TikTok don't want it, don't know what it wants. Somebody else said, mine did the same thing. They're not pushing horizontal videos. Exactly. And one thing that somebody said that really made it interesting was that he said, your views are based on interaction. When you post a video, TikTok shows it to a number of people. And that makes sense. We know this, that TikTok pushes your video to the algorithm, to the FYP, if it's popping and if they love it. As soon as you interact, then that's when you get out of that 200 view jail. My theory, it's so crazy. I posted 2 horizontal videos. They did not even pass 200. Then I posted this video that's vertical, 4,000 views. And then I went back to horizontal and it's just not doing amazing. My theory is that my audience really just doesn't, not only are they not used to it, but just doesn't really like it. I mean, I'm going to go back to vertical. Not only is my audience telling me no thank you, but why am I wasting my time creating something that the algorithm doesn't love? And not just the algorithm, the people that are watching it. I want to make it very easy for them to consume my content. I want to make it valuable to them. And clearly, 5 times that I've posted, it's not valuable to them. That's my theory around horizontal. What do you think? Tell me in the comments if you're going to be posting horizontal videos. This doesn't mean that it doesn't work. It works for a lot of creators. I did see a makeup artist. It was just amazing for them. Like, they did really well. And I do find myself watch the horizontal videos, but I'm not on TikTok looking for horizontal videos, if that makes sense. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this, and we can tell YouTube that you like these type of videos and other people can also explore this channel. Now, the next thing that you probably already realize is that they are not doing music anymore. What do I mean by that? Straight from the TikTok website, it says, it's sad and disappointing that Universal Music Group has put their own greed above the interests of the artists and songwriters. They have chosen to walk away from a powerful support of a platform that serves as a free promotional discovery image for their talent. Okay, long story short, Universal and TikTok couldn't come to an agreement on how to get paid. What does that mean? Your favorite artist, Taylor, Bad Bunny, like all of those artists, you can't use their songs anymore. People are panicking, but I'm going to be super honest. If you're doing face to camera videos like this on TikTok, like it shouldn't really matter. And I know trending songs, like I get it. But most likely, if you're watching this video, you're not here to learn how to do trending videos and trending songs. I do have an alternative for you that may work, but honestly, the simplest way to grow on TikTok is to be vulnerable, be open, get on camera, start talking in your car, tell them a story, tell them an anecdote, tell them something of interest. Another thing, still talking about telling them something of interest, the TikTok trend report of 2024 that came out was saying that there are 3 things that they're going to mainly focus on as far as content, which is curiosity peak, storytelling unhinged, and bridging the trust gap. So that alone is telling you, like, they want you to be open, storytelling unhinged, tell stories. People want that, and they are going to be really looking into how to tell stories. And if you're telling bomb stories, they will push it out. I'll link all of these right below this video so you can make sure to read it if you want to dive into that. If you really want music for your videos and you're like, dude, I literally cannot even function without putting music, you can use something like Epidemic Sounds. Epidemic Sounds is a library of music, and all of this music, you can use it royalty free. It's really cool. Even if you stop paying for the membership, you still have that license to use that song. So take a look at it. I'll link it below. They have all of my Latin style songs. They have like reggaeton. Obviously, it's not mainstream, but it's still really good. They even have cumbia, salsa. I know that it feels like TikTok wants to be YouTube right now. If that's not what your audience is saying, they're not popping up. Like, you don't have to go that way right at this moment. And if you're like, think I don't even have one follower. Try both. If you already have an established audience, you're like, dude, I got it. I don't need to change things up. Then don't. Keep doing what you're doing. Continue growing how you're growing. Keep building your email list, all the things. But if you are not popping off, try new things. See how to do it. Stay consistent. Ultimately, you need to focus on the searchable side of TikTok if you want to grow fast. And in the next video, I'll talk all about SEO and TikTok.